Hey guys, welcome to YouTube. We are going to disassemble a Rubik's Cube today, as you can see. And the parts that you are going to need is a razor, preferably with a tipped end, because it's really super hard with a broken tip. And you are also going to need a screwdriver. I don't know what size this is. You guys will be able to figure out once you get your thing disassembled. But let's get to it. So first you are going to want to stick it in the middle. It doesn't matter what color you do. White, red, blue, yellow, orange, green. So you're going to try to pop that off. So when I get this off, I'll show you what you guys have to do. Ooh, that thing flew. Alright, so as you can see, I did get that off. And I have to go find a piece here.
Might be able to sell that one.
So, I did get this off. And, so it looks like that. You are going to need a screwdriver. I don't know what type it is, but it's just a regular Phillips. And, so that's what the inside of it looks like. That's how it hangs on. So, it doesn't matter what color it is, but I'm just going with blue because I've used white too many times on this. So you're gonna untighten it just a bit, not too much, just enough where you can go with the middle piece. So you're going to go like this with a flat Rubik's Cube, with all things, and you're gonna turn it like that, and with this corner, you guys are going to pop it right out. So as you can see, I popped it right out, and this is how it looks. And so you guys can put this piece back in, and you guys will be good. Now if you want to, you guys can take this thing fully off. It's a-okay, you can put it back, it's super easy. But all you have to do now is just start spinning and like kind of pulling them out. And now do not try it on the corners, because I have had a few of these break, and I've had to get a couple new ones, but luckily I had some parts. But anyways, so you just start spinning it, and here is eventually with the core. This is what it looks like. It's just 4 squares. And I'm going to put this back in. Oh, I'll tighten this just a bit. But I have everything how I need it, because it's easier. Now if you untighten these too much, it could possibly lead to like you're spinning it and your cube just goes bleh, just goes all over. And so this is what it looks like, and that's how you disassemble a Rubik's Cube. And I will see you later.